are at Universal today, and our first stop is going to be NBC, the restaurant, and we are headed there now. So I got the smoked chicken pesto with sun-dried tomatoes, chicken pesto sauce, and it comes with asparagus, and I got that on the side for my husband. And he got chicken tenders,
Jumbo chicken tenders,
fries, and buffalo sauce.
buffalo sauce, and garlic parmesan.
Yes. So this looks real good. Yeah. We are at Universal Studios today after having ate at our NBC Grill, and I'm excited because we haven't been here together in a while. It's probably been a few months, right?
Yeah.
So we're just here to check out all the new stuff that's popped up and check out possibilities for Halloween Horror Nights and see all the new lights and everything else in between. I think we're gonna start off with an animal show.
Yes, okay, you show off. Get back on your mark. Sit. Good. He's excited. Jump. Whee! Get back over there. Or he's gonna knock over a bad guy. Good job, buddy.
Oh my
Very
God.
good. All right, on your mark. Go ahead.
I get to take Dylan to see the DreamWorks show for the first time.
No, I am not the princess.
Let me ask you a question. Do you like parfait?
Of course I do.
See, I told you. Everybody like parfait.
We don't have time for this.
What was that noise? He's right. Shrek, you need to save the princess. Donkey, you need to distract the dragon.
Excuse me?
Oh, she's right. That's the sound of a dragon!
Yeah, I did not see her.
You smacked the tail.
Ooh, what large teeth you have. Do I detect a hint of minty freshness?
Oh, it's okay, Donkey. You just need to be brave.
I just need to be brave. I just need to be brave.
Zane, what happens next in the story? Oh, right. This is the part where you and the dragon fall in love.
What?
She is a girl dragon.
A girl dragon? Oh, of course you're a girl dragon. Because you're just reeking of feminine beauty.
He's doing it.
Well, what's the matter? You got something in your eye?
He did it! They're falling in love! Oh, it's Shrek's song. That's a nice boulder. Where Shrek and Fiona get married. They were Donkey and Dragon have lots of babies.
I was hoping this would be a happy ending. Quick question. Is this someone staying behind me?
That'll do, Donkey. That'll do.
I'll make it waffle.
All the time to get me. Out to get me. That's the way it seems. That's the way it seems. Disappointment haunted all my dreams. Then I saw her face. Now I'm a believer.
I should have had that on video. But I know her.
Where am I?
That's the entrance, yeah. There's lights up here. Pretty sure that's gonna be nightmare fuel. So we are at Lombard Seafood, and I got potatoes and chocolate cake.
Lobster something.
Lobster bisque.
Oh.
We came in for like appetizers, and I wanted a fresh dessert. If it's not fresh, you can complain and tell them, hey, this is dry cake, and maybe they'll give you a new, fresher cake. I'm just kidding. I don't know, but this one looks fresher than stuff that you would get at the sweet shop.